Installing a GPU board. Align the GPU board with the two guide pins on the tray and then gently lower down the GPU board onto the node. Fasten the two T15 screws on the GPU board. Fasten the 7 M3 screws on the GPU board. Push the carrier board to connect it to the GPU board. Insert the GPU board retention clips into the slots on the carrier board. Rotate the GPU board handle toward the GPU board and press it down to lock the carrier board in place. Install the GPUs on the GPU board. Replace all 5 putty pads on the 4 GPUs. Make sure to align the putty pads with the GPU VR and the markings on the GPU. Install the water loop on the GPU node. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover.